guys, today is going to be a college weekend in my life. Hi, I'm Charlize Rose. If you're new here on my channel, my name is Charlize Rose. I'm a fashion design student at FIDM in Los Angeles. I vlog about how it's like to be a fashion student, college, and lifestyle videos, and I do beauty videos sometimes. I do lots of sit-down videos as well. If you guys like that type of content, then this channel may be right for you or is right for you, so you should go ahead and subscribe and click that subscribe button down below. I'm back in LA. School started Wednesday, January 9th. I've been back since Wednesday and today's Friday. Today I just wanted to film a college weekend in my life. I kind of settled back in, tidied up the apartment. I did all the stuff already. Today I actually have homework and I'm going out with a friend. I have to clean the bathroom because I didn't really deep clean that yet, but I deep cleaned everything else. I deep cleaned the kitchen, I deep cleaned everything, but the bathroom is the only one I'm missing. So I'm gonna be doing that today and going out with a friend. I'm still finishing up, getting ready. I have my outfit on, makeup on, but I just need to do my hair because all I did was let it out of my ponytail. Later on today, I'm actually going to the gym, just finishing up some homework and tidying up the rest of the apartment. So that's pretty much it. I finished straightening my hair. Now I'm picking out my jewelry. I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss and I'm about to put on some jewelry and accessorize my look, put on perfume, add the finishing touches, as I like to say. Hey guys, I'm about to leave in like 5 minutes probably, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. I am wearing these Brandy Melville pants and then I'm wearing this belt. I tied around it, as you can see. That's from Forever 21. This I thrifted. I got this necklace. It's kind of hard to see. It's gold with ink gemstones and that's from Forever 21. I have my hair tie in this hand. I always have to have a hair tie. And then my Alexandra Ani bracelet. Hair straightened. Then I have earrings with 2 cuffs from H&M, the earrings, and then the cuffs are from Forever 21. I'm about to put on my shoes, my boots, and put that straightener away. You can see the cord right there. Then I am just gonna get my bag and I'm gonna go. So I'll talk to you guys probably in the car when I'm there. We'll see. Hey guys, so I'm at lunch, but I have someone to introduce you to. Hi. It's Scarlett. Scarlett. She's a little shy around the camera, guys, but it's okay.
We're at the Marmalade Cafe in the Grove.
Yes, we are.
So good.
And we had lunch, but we finished it all. So I didn't vlog because we were having a really good talk about life. Really random stuff. We're gonna go to Top Shop and then we're gonna take some pictures and we're just gonna have a fun girls time. I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. Scarlett and I, we are looking at the succulents. These are only $12 at the Grove. You guys should check it out.
They're so cute.
They are really cute. She wants, which one did you want?
This one. The one right there.
You wanted this one?
Yeah.
So she wants this one.
It's so sweet.
And I'm picking out one because I have like a shelf above my desk.
Me too. I have one too.
So I want to get one. I already have one from here. So I like this one. Ooh, but I like this one. Oh, so much to choose.
There's literally so many. Like, I want all of them.
Yeah. Hey everyone, I just got back from my apartment. It is 7 o'clock now. Now I'm going to get ready and go to the gym. I'm gonna take off my makeup. I went to the gym yesterday and I basically did my leg day. Yesterday was leg and my glutes day. Very sore in those areas. Today is arm day. But I want to show you guys this succulent. Got this succulent. It's really cute. I got it at the stand at the Grove, and that's where I got my other succulent too. Now they can be friends. And it was only $12, and it's in this cute little rose gold pot. I'm gonna go ahead and change, and I'll talk to you guys after. Guys, I just came back from the gym. I'm a little sweaty and a little shiny because I'm sweaty. I only went to the gym for 30 minutes because I just wanted to get a quick workout in because I wanted to also do homework today, and I wanted to clean the bathroom. I'm gonna clean the bathroom right now. now, while I'm like still kind of like dirty, and then I'm gonna shower, I'm going to do my homework, which is my pattern homework, and I have to make a halter top. It's due Wednesday and it's Friday, but I just kind of want to get it over with. I wanted to dust the bathroom because I didn't get to dust the bathroom. Probably going to do the shower another time. In order for me to deep clean it, it has to sit in the shower for like 6 hours. I'm gonna do that later this next weekend or sometime next week because I need a special like showering scrub for it. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. It's raining today. Me and my friend actually had plans to go to Santa Monica, but since it's raining, we probably won't go to Santa Monica, or I think we're just gonna go get some food to eat. I washed my brushes 2 nights ago. Most of them are still wet. Like, this is damp. This one's okay. This is wet for sure. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I'm gonna put these right here. And I washed everything, but some of them like dry before the other one. Beauty blender is fine. So I'm just gonna let these dry. Some more too. I'm gonna move my chair. I have a candle burning. My side table was like kind of like messy, but I have a candle burning, and I move this chair all the time whenever I do my makeup. Just move it right there, and then I readjust my vanity. I'm gonna play some YouTube videos while I get ready. Hey guys, I am all dressed and I'm all ready. It is raining outside. I have to wear a raincoat. So today I'm just wearing my Brandy Melville top, which I got for Christmas. Shout out to you, Martina. Then I got this bralette, and I'm wearing this cross necklace from Forever 21. And then my rings on both hands. This belt, it's from Calvin Klein. And my jacket's from North Face. My jeans are from Hollister. And I'm about to put on socks. So I have to go in like 30 minutes, so I have time. I'm all ready to go. I'm gonna make a to-do list. I'm gonna show you guys because I like seeing other people's to-do lists. I don't know, seeing like other people and what they have to do within their week or within their day or whatever, I feel like already more productive. It inspires me to do stuff, and it inspires me to be productive too. So hopefully this vlog can inspire you too. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Talk to you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so I just made my to-do list in my planner, and in case you guys are wondering, this is my Bloom planner. So there's like a yearly view here, and what's cool about it is that you have how I bloomed in 2018, so it's just like a reflection of 2018 and how I plan to bloom in 2019. You're reflecting and your goals, and it like says like points like most memorable moments and stuff like that. I color code my homework. I don't really use email and addresses and stuff. Everything else that they put in here I use. The layout is really nice. This is like personally my favorite layout. I love spiral agendas because they're just easier to write in. I like how much space it is. It's a good amount of space. It's not too big, it's not too little. At the beginning of each month there is a calendar block thing that I love to use, and then notes and goals to self, which I always fill in. There's like tabs and stuff here, which is really nice, and it keeps it like super organized, and I don't have to like use post-it notes to like keep track of what page I'm on because I can just always go to the tab. That's just like a short overview on the planner. It's really nice, and it's really cheap on Amazon. I can try to find the link and link it down below in the down bar for any of you guys are interested. And if you're interested in a new planner for the new year, then this is a really nice, like affordable, cute planner. My to-do list, as you can see, it is the first quarter and first beginning of new classes. So I'm on a quarter system, so every 3 months I switch to new classes. That's how a quarter system works. I only had 2 classes out of my 5 so far. I don't have like a lot of homework / a lot of things to do. I already like settled into my apartment when I came home Tuesday. For Saturday, Sunday, my to-do lists are usually longer for weeks for these 2 days. On Saturday, I hung out with Scarlett, I went to the gym, it was arm day, and then cleaned toilet and floor, and then I relaxed. Today is rest day for the gym, so I don't have to go to the gym because my arms and legs, my glutes, everything is so sore. Today's rest day, and tomorrow, oh wait, this is I am so dumb. I am so dumb because yesterday was Friday, and today is Saturday, and Sunday is tomorrow. So I was wondering why I was running out spaces. So Friday was yesterday, so this is what I did Friday. Today is Saturday, so this is what I'm gonna be doing today. I am so dumb, I can't believe I did that. Today I'm gonna be having lunch with my friend Jalen. I have to clean the shower since I already cleaned the toilet and floor yesterday. Dusted everything because it got really dusty over the past 3 weeks during break, so I cleaned and I dusted the toilet, the sink, and everything. Now I just have to clean the shower. It's relatively clean because I Lysoled it. I do a deeper cleaning every 3 months. I have to wash my pillowcase, and I have to do my professional practices homework, which is all of that. And I have other homework. I have to make this halter top, but I'm probably gonna do that Sunday tomorrow because it's due Wednesday. It is almost 1 o'clock, and I'm probably gonna go downstairs to meet my friend. Hey guys. So I just came back from lunch and I tied up my hair and I look disgusting, and my necklace is not. Okay, I'm in the design room that my apartment has. It's really nice because my apartment has these design rooms that are filled with dress forms, and there's a sewing machine, and there's a dress form right there, and this huge design table, which is really nice and convenient. I have so much stuff to do all the time that involves sewing and all that stuff. I wasn't going to initially do this homework, and I wanted to go to the gym today, but I'm really sore and I should let my body rest. I'm probably just gonna go to the gym tomorrow, but I have all my stuff and I'm about to work on a halter top that I have to make, and then I'm gonna go back home and do the rest of my homework that was assigned. I'm gonna go ahead, play some music. Hey guys, this is the struggle of being a fashion design student. There is a chip nail, there is marks all over my hands, we got pencil marks, we got pen marks of different colors. I am pretty much done with my halter top pattern. So this is the back and this is the front. So this is basically, you guys can kind of see the shape of a halter top right here. So it goes up and down. I'm not totally done. I have to add seam allowance, and seam allowance is a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch or a 3/4 of an inch extension from the pattern. So from here I would add a 1/2 inch, or from here I would have an inch, or from here, it depends on your pattern, but it's basically an extension where you have to use that line, a 1/2 inch line, I added it here, to sew. So you would sew this when you cut it out on the fabric. It's kind of confusing to understand. And this is a pattern. So basically a pattern is the pattern of the garment and how basically the shape of the garment that you have to make before you sew it. So what you do with a pattern is if you want to add how you want to fit it. So if you want to add a dart, which makes the garment more tapered, or if you want to add marks to make it more loose, or if you want to add other marks for embroidery or something like that, you would put that all on the pattern. You would use this pattern to cut out your fabric. Basing on the marks that you make, you sew it all together. It is a lot to understand. Probably someone can explain it better than I ever can. I think I'm just gonna finish this, charge up my phone. Pretty much finished it. I might come back down. I'm gonna come back down tomorrow to finish everything, cut out my fabric, and sew it all together. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go back upstairs. Hey everyone, so it's the next day now. It's Monday, and it's the first full week of classes. It is raining very hard. I have an umbrella and everything that I brought. Thank you guys all for watching, and give this video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!